Hello YouTube, Adventurous Dominic here, and today we are gonna crack the seed here. See? Yes, I'm sick, but I promised myself I was gonna make a YouTube video today. So anyway, we're gonna crush the seed with a vise because I tried crushing it because I tried trying to crack this seed for with a lot of things, even a hammer, and the seed hasn't even broke open. So today I am gonna see if the vise will crush it. So let's get started. Okay. So there's the shovel. Oops. Just kidding. Yeah. So let's get to it. How do I move this? Okay, so let's just open this. And yes, I have crushed a lot of things with it. Hey. Why is he? Okay. Let me just get this straight. Let me just put the tablet down, and then I'll be right to it. Just wait a little bit, YouTube. Okay, we're ready, YouTube. So, here's the seed. Okay, now we're gonna see if we can crush it. Any last words, seed? Nope. It's just an innocent little seed. Well, let's crack this baby open. Oh my god. It's actually cracking. Oh my god. I'm so amazed, guys. It actually cracked open. Oh my god. Wait here, guys, wait. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Do you see that? That is a cracked seed. Oh my god. I actually found a seed in it. Look at this. I actually found a seed. Should we see what's inside the seed? Okay. I don't know why I called the nut a seed. Oh my god. Sorry, YouTube. I get scared really easy. Whoa. Looks like we got another seed here. Whoa. Okay, you guys come look now. So, if you guys wanted to see it, then turn it to 413. Let's crush the seed. Oh my god. It actually cracked. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Do you see that? Let me just... Oh my god. There might be some truth to this. What the heck? What the heck? There's nothing in that seed. There's a yellow seed. Here. Let me just put it in the vise. Okay. I got it, guys. And let's see. Nope. There's nothing in it. Let's just finish crushing it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ugh. Just. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. How do you turn this thing off? Oh, here we go. Okay, bye-bye.